Hello and welcome back to my RC channel. I'm AndyRC and today I'm going to be doing a flight with my E-flite MAWL M7. It's got DJI FPV wireless head tracking and a fully working multiple screen LCD cockpit from FPV Toys. The camera's also on a slide mechanism to get closer and further away from the dashboard. If you want to know how I did this, then let me know in the comments and I'll make a how-to video. In this flight, my friend Phil has done a great job getting external dusk shots as well as the onboard FPV feed. I hope you enjoy. Okay, ready for takeoff. Round the tree. Other side of the tree. Through the gap. Round the tree. A low pass. Around the tree. Just going to move my camera forward a little. Let's take a look at the sun going down. Coming towards us for a bit of a wing over. Into a roll. Trying to sight the tree is difficult. Okay. I'll bring it down low. Kick over the rudder to get the tight turn. I go for a turn in the field. Okay. Over this hedge and then turn behind the trees. So line up for a low pass. Go through the gap. Okay, turn to the left. Just going to gain a little bit of height to look at the horizon. Okay, I'm going to turn slightly to the right and then turn left and attempt to loop. Go for a roll first, roll. Go for a loop, nose down. Two loops. Looking at the horizon this time. Okay, coming round to the right, low again. Touch and go. Okay, gonna go over to the right, see if I can turn around into the gap. It's gonna be a challenge with the wing in the way. It's there somewhere. Come in low. Lowish. And take a look at the horizon. Gain a bit of height. Just going to circle around so I can take a look at the horizon. Into a roll, slow roll, low pass. Tight turn in the field. Okay, come in for a landing. You can see the patch now, the sun's gone down. Let it sink. Flare, bit of a bounce. Job's a good one.